So children, so going to certain breathing techniques now. As I said, the poor man is one who is poor, not economically poor, vitally poor, energetically poor. You have your own share, water, share of energy in the nature, at home or outside or in the garden or in the college. You must take that energy through nostrils or Akasha Pranayama. Prana means energy. Aya means taking it. Or Surya Pranayama, vitamin D3, the mother vitamin. Surya Pranayama, solar energy, is a clue for everything on the earth. That's all. And again, Akas Pranayama. Fine. Let's go to breathing techniques. Time is very short. I cannot demonstrate asanas now because space doesn't permit. Fine. Breathing techniques. Okay. You have your own food and lifestyle properly and confined to Surya Pranayama, Akash Pranayama, or Cosmic Pranayama, Vishwa Pranayama, or Aha Oho Pranayama. Very interesting. Aha Oho techniques. And my video, many clippings, I have given 5,000 programs so far. Bala Pranayama, Bala Yoga, Mahila Yoga. There are many. You can also subscribe if you are interested. You can enjoy those things on my video channel, Sapta Yoga channel, or Dr. T. Venkat Rajaya. Fine? Okay. Right. So after coming home, what you are supposed to do? Okay. Ready? Yes. After coming home, go to your washroom, bolt it, keep your mask in the washroom itself, and clean with hot water. Mask, hot water. Very hot. So that all germs, particles stuck inside, outside your mask or kerchief will be cleansed. Maybe you are exhausted. When you are exhausted, sit like this. Better you have your own stool or chair. Better stool in your washroom. This also cures your gynec problems. Keep like this. Leg. You can also do Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati also you can try like this, like a Maharaja, a Marwadi Kshatriya Shah. Keep it like this. Comfortable stool better. Stool better. Go for Kapalabhati. How many count? As per your age. For 18, go for 18 or double 18. I do 5 times, 500 Kapalabhati, but not daily. Differs. One day Kapalabhati, one day Bhastrika, one day Asanas, one day Sapta Yoga. Different ways I try. There are many in my Sapta Yoga channel, YouTube channel. You can enjoy like this. So focus is on the tummy. Focus is on the tummy. Okay, like this now. So body is bilaterally symmetrical. Whatever you do, you must do equal. Left and right, equal. Surya Nadi, Chanda Nadi. Left side over, for example, 50. Go to right side again, same again. Right side, 100. Fine. And next item. Next item, keep like this. Leg like this. Yes. Keep like this. Your parameters, check yourself. Here I am pressing pancreas and not pressing heart. Don't worry. This is a parameter. So here also you can do some Kapalabhati. That means the right side is let free. So right side is let free. Right side liver, largest gland, the glandular system. So pharmacists must know. Endocrine system. Glandular system most important. Endocrine system is troubling everyone. Even a just born baby getting thyroid problem. Hypothyroid, epithyroid. So all these things can be addressed pranayama. Like this. Okay, or else this way you can also do this way. Keep like it. That's all. Left 30 times. Go to right side again. Same. Right side. Kapalabhati. Then again. Blasting up air. Like churning. Like this now. So 30-30 count. Second option over. Third option. You can sit like this. Madam, are they ready, madam? Okay. Like the third option. Or lean to the wall. Lean to the wall. Safe. So when I am doing like this, I am pressing everything. What is left? The left side is left free. Right is pressed. Again, when I come to left side, right is left free. Or you can also do two legs together. So like this, you can do lots of things. Okay. Fine. So we were discussing and demonstrating Corona prevention pranayama, the washroom of the going home. Okay. As I said, left, right, 1. That way 7 means 7 and 14. Like left and right. Okay. Finally, next step is just stand like this. Am I visible? Stand like this. Listen carefully. Horizontal and vertical. See. Ha! When I say ha, press the abdomen. Pressing the abdomen also addressing your gynec issues here. See, like this. Breathe in. Breathing what? Breathing in cosmos, breathing in solar. If you are comfortable, go to staircase. But take care of surroundings, security, safety. Then go for pranayama. Okay? And that too before 8 o'clock morning or after 4 o'clock evening. Solar energy levels are very powerful. Otherwise, if you go after 8 or before 4, the radiation cannot withstand. You may get health problem. Okay? You may also get dehydration. That's why better drink water and go for solar breathing, vitamin D3 or corona. Okay, I'm mixing up. Right? One thing. Ha! Pressing. Since we are cleansing respiratory tract, once again I'll show you. So, oral breathing, nasal breathe out. Look at me carefully. That means like this. Oral breathing in, nasal breathing out. Second item, nasal breathing, oral breathe out. Ha! Ha! Understand? Vice versa. Third item, what you call a part of Ujjayi Pranayama. The best for thyroid problem, even cervical spondylitis problem. Okay? Press abdomen. But your children, don't do these things during cycle time. Please, no. During cycle time, better take Shavasana, sitting posture, Sukhasana. Or just gentle walk. Never exert yourself. No, not advisable. Fine? Right. Then this is horizontal. Then vertical. Fine? Right. Then this is horizontal. Then vertical. Vertical. Okay. Be careful in the washroom, please. All the position, distance, very important. Surroundings must be safe, man. Okay, see once again. Ha! Ha! So when it's a ha, automatically abdomen is being pressed. The entire abdomen, middle part of the body being pressed. Lower part of the body, middle part of the body, upper part of the body, lateral, left side, lateral, right side, and this is a dorsal, this is ventral. This is 7 domains. Again, Sapta Yoga. These 7 domains must be addressed every day. Skipping or jogging or whatever you do, these 7 domains. That's why I told you, 7 is heaven. Okay? See once again, vertical. Oral breathing, nasal blasting out. automatically this nasal passage clench. Also, when I said it's a sort of brahmari. So also brahmari, throat will be clean. See, so brahmari, ujjayi, brahmari. Again vertical. The entire body gets warm up. You have brahmari pranayama in my Sapta Yoga. You can check it and follow. Over. Next item. Next item, this also called Sridhar Chakra. Any chakra, any name, what is there? So these two nostrils are clean. Okay. This is what you call Nadi balance. Shuddhi. Shuddhi se Siddhi. Siddhi se Buddhi. Shuddhi, Siddhi, Buddhi. Vritti, Pravritti, Nivritti. Kapha, Vata, Pitta. These are all Ayurvedic terms. Okay. So horizontal I have shown, vertical I have shown, lateral side for example. This is laterals. You never have headache, I tell you. I'll give in writing. No headache. Your headache must have headache. Not coming to you. Not you. See. That's all. Or next item. Lungs campus. Addressing lungs and throat now. I said respiratory tract, nasal region, throat region, lung. See. I am pressing abdomen. Lungs clean. Heart, arteries, veins also articulated, regulated. Waist. Back pain. I said, man, back pain is simple. Nothing. Back pain very simple. So like this, breathe out. Breathe out. That's all. Gone. See. That's all. That you can try in your privacy. 100% guarantee. No back pain. Spinal cord, brain and spine, people getting lots of diseases now using app, 24 hours like this, app. Every time addiction, weak mind addicts, strong mind dominates. Listen carefully. Weak mind addicts, strong mind dominates. Strong mind administers, never become weak mind. After all, cell phone, keep it aside. Talk to people, talk to parents, talk to friends, talk to teachers. That's a strategy. Don't talk to cell phone all the time. Fine. So as I said, back pain once again. Breathe out. Stomach is loosened. That's all. This is back pain. Over. Next item. Yeah. Diagonal. Diagonal. Breathe like this. Okay. Now I'm breathing. Okay. Like this. That's twisting body. Like kerchief. Don't you clean your kerchief? Wash kerchief. Twisting. Body twisting lesson. Automatically. Or this way you can also try. Your basic gone. Once you can see. Breathe in. Or you can do 10 and a gap, 10 and a gap. Body being twisted. Abdomen gets complete exercise. So abdominal harmony primary. Social harmony secondary. Again, final breathing. Finally finishing like this. Breathing top, standing top on the toes. So I'm breathing in, breathing out. Fourth breathing, throat breathing. I am making throat breathing. So this we can try, or this we can try. But stand on the toes. Stand on the toes and check your weight. Check your weight. Like this. Fine. So once again repeat. Washroom corona preventing, corona elimination, corona को डराना, हम डरना नहीं. Okay. See like this. Water sniffing, Dettol mixed water sniffing. Okay. Only 2 drops, not more than that. If you do not Dettol, do not have lemon drops, or even don't have warm water enough, but not cool water, like this. Don't worry, water will not get into your throat. No, don't worry. Don't be scared. Okay, next item. One. One. So like this. Next. 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 You can also do this way. Final. And lower. Final facing. So this is all the corona prevention yoga. Enough this much. Try daily 10 to 15 minutes. You can increase the time, don't worry. But relax. After this pranayama act is over, relax on the bed, Shavasana. Breath taking in and going out, very calm and quiet and natural. Forget the entire world, 10 minutes. Relax. Then go to your natural other activities.